Now, the fears of a second U.S. government shutdown loom large as the border security talks between the Democrats and the Republicans broke down over detention policies. Lawmakers from both parties, in fact, spent the past 2 weeks negotiating over border safety issues after U.S. President Donald Trump agreed to reopen the government for talks to begin. However, the Republicans have now said that the talks have been halted over Democrats' demand to limit the powers of the American border security forces. The Democrats have rejected Trump's demand for funds to buy beds for detention facilities run by the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. The Democrats blame the ICE for the controversial family separation policy at the U.S.-Mexico border. Meanwhile, President Trump has also hit out at the Democrats over border detention. He's accused them of not giving money for what he called the obviously needed border wall. He's also accused them of letting murderers roam freely in a reference to illegal immigrants. Now, Trump had earlier claimed that the migrant caravan to the United States included drug traffickers and gangsters. On the 25th of January, the US president had in fact agreed to open the government for about 3 weeks, that is until the 15th of February, so that both the Democrats and the Republicans could reach an agreement on border wall funding. Remember, Trump had announced the shutdown after his demands for $5.7 billion to build a wall on the US-Mexico border was turned down by the Democrats.